In this video, we will show you how to use ChatGPT triggers. ChatGPT triggers allow you to connect ChatGPT to your automation and any external tool. With ChatGPT trigger, you can collect user data and trigger flows easily. The flow you trigger can run any automation, get data from other systems, and return the data to ChatGPT. First, make sure that OpenAI is already connected to your account. Link on how to integrate OpenAI is in the description box below. Scroll down to Triggers and click Manage. Here are the details you need to fill in for your trigger. Name: always try to include at least 2 words to describe your trigger. Next, this field should clarify even more the purpose of the trigger. Try to always start it with the phrase allows the user to. Next, the name of the data to be collected should be clear and matches the correct custom field where it will be saved. Here, you determine which flow will carry out your trigger. Lastly is the output message. We highly advise to use a custom field for your output message instead of a static text to create variation. We will demonstrate how triggers work for a better grasp of the process. This trigger will be for a booking reservation process. First, we make a flow that will send the gathered user data into a Google Sheet. We will add a call to action set custom field. This action will be used as our output message later on. Video tutorials inside our channel are available to learn more about custom fields. Next, we add another action that will be responsible for sending the gathered data into our Google Sheet. Link to the Google Sheet integration tutorial is in the description box below. The goal here is to send the data that the user have provided and save it on the Google Sheet. You must make sure that all details from the custom fields are correctly matched to the Google Sheet columns. Once done, click Publish. Next, we add our trigger. Then, list the data we want to collect from the user and match it with the correct custom field. We then choose the flow designated for sending data to our Google Sheet. Lastly, we will use the custom field trigger _test to display the confirmation message once the user has completed the reservation. Now that we've created our trigger, time to instruct ChatGPT about his role. We edit our prompt to match our intention of having an appointment setter chatbot. Then, we add our reservation trigger from the list below. Let us try to book a reservation. The chatbot will only confirm the reservation once the user has filled out all required information. By this time, all the information provided by the user are being sent to our Google Sheet. We've just showed you how to use ChatGPT triggers. For assistance and customer support concerns, our dedicated help support team is always available to assist you. Support hotline is provided on the description box below. Thank you for choosing GPT Connect.